Hi there everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review something really special in the spotlight and you will make your mind if you want to buy it or not. It is the Manfrotto PIXI mini tripod kit with a smartphone clamp in a stylish black. This little guy right here a game changer and I'm about to show you why. So stick around. The PIXI Smart is the ideal companion for everyone who frequently uses their smartphone for impromptu photography. In sleek black, it now comes equipped with a universal smartphone clamp and multiple quarter-inch thread attachments, making it compatible with the most smartphones available in the market. This versatile design ensures great flexibility and ease of use in various situations. Here what makes the PIXI Smart stand out. The universal smartphone clamp is designed to securely hold a variety of smartphone models. Its adjustability is one of the key strengths, accommodating different sizes and shapes with ease. Whether you're on an iPhone, an Android device, or less common smartphone brand, the PIXI smartphone tripod keeps up the task. It ensures that your device stays firmly in the place regardless of its dimension or weight. In addition to its universal smartphone clamp, the kit features multiple quarter-inch thread attachments. These attachments are where the PIXI Smart truly shines. They offer a secure universal connection point that opens up a world of compatibility. These threads allow the tripod to work seamlessly with the most smartphones available on the market today, ensuring that you can use it effectively in various shooting scenarios. This level of flexibility enhances the adaptability of the PIXI Smartphone tripod kit, making it go-to accessory for photographers and videographers who frequently find themselves capturing moments on different smartphone models. Whether you are switching between devices for different purposes or using multiple smartphones within a creative project, this kit ensures that you won't be limited by your equipment. The pace of smartphone technology evolution is rapid. New models with varying designs and dimensions frequently in the market. With the PIXI Smart tripod kit's universal compatibility, you won't need to worry about your gear becoming outdated. It has the ability to grow you and adapt whether you're changing landscape or smartphone photography or videography. Whether you're a casual smartphone photographer, professional content creator, or dedicated vlogger, the PIXI Smart tripod kit is designed to cater your unique needs. Its universal smartphone compatibility and quarter-inch thread attachment ensures it's a valuable tool for virtually anyone looking to enhance their mobile photography or videography. The dual functionality of the Manfrotto PIXI mini tripod kit with a smartphone clamp is a standout feature that truly sets it apart from ordinary tripod smartphone holders. This versatility is a game changer for photographers and videographers, offering a spectrum of creative possibilities. Perfect still photography companion. When used as stable holder, the PIXI Smart tripod kit excels, providing a secure and steady platform capturing a wide range of photographic scenarios. Whether you're taking still photos of landscapes, group shots, or detailed close-ups, this tripod offers stability you need. Its robust construction and adjustable legs allow you to set up on your own surface, ensuring your shots are level and sharp. The stability offers is particularly beneficial for time-lapse photography and long exposure shots. Time-lapse sequence demand a steady base to ensure that the final video is smooth and jitter-free. Long exposure, on the one hand, requires the camera to remain absolutely still to capture light, trails, or other creative effects. The PIXI Smart Tripod Kit becomes an essential tool for these advanced photography techniques, enabling you to achieve breathtaking results. In contrast with the PIXI Smart transforms into ergonomic grip, it empowers content creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts to take their videos and selfies to the next levels. This comfortable grip lets you capture high-quality videos with improved stability, ensuring your footage smooth and professional. For those who love taking selfies, the ergonomic grip design allows you to position your smartphone at just the right angle to get your perfect shot. It's like having your own personal camera assistant holding your device steady and freeing your other hand for creative posing or gestures. The ergonomic grip not only enhances video quality but also simplifies the process of capturing outstanding photos. By offering a secure and ergonomic way to hold your device, you can achieve steadier shots even in the challenging conditions. This means your photos will be sharper, clearer, and more visually striking. The Manfrotto PIXI Mini Tripod Kit with smartphone clamp is a shining example of meticulous craftsmanship. It's constructed from premium materials including stainless steel and adapter, resulting in a product that exudes quality. These materials are known for their durability and resistance to wear and tear, making the PIXI Smart an accessory that's built to last. Stainless steel is renowned for its sturdiness and resilience. It can withstand rigorous, everyday use, still look and perform flawlessly. The use of stainless steel not only guarantees longevity but also provides a sleek, modern aesthetic. It's an assurance for a dependable companion for your photography and videography endeavors. The choice of adapter is unique and advanced material demonstrates Manfrotto's commitment to innovation. The adapter combines lightness and strength in a way that's truly remarkable. It's an engineering feat that enhances the PIXI Smart Tripod overall performance. Its tactile finish not only feels great to touch but also enhances the grip and control when it's used in an ergonomic grip mode. The PIXI Smart Tripod Kit not only offers a secure base for your smartphone but also functions as a comfortable handle for a variety of shooting scenarios. This solid build ensures that you can trust in any photographic situation, whether you are capturing a time-lapse sequence in challenging outdoor conditions or shooting a vlog in a bustling urban environment. This versatility is the testament to the thoughtful design and construction of the PIXI Smart. Weighing a mere 220 grams, half of the pound, the PIXI Smart Tripod is exceptionally lightweight. And the compactness is equally remarkable, measuring just 26 centimeters, which is about 10 inches, when it's closed. The perfect size transforms into the ideal travel companion for every photographer or videographer on the go. It's small enough to slip into your bag or backpack, ensuring it's always within reach where your creative inspiration strikes. PIXI Smart is not just a piece of equipment, it's a loyal companion that can accompany you on all your photographic adventures. Whether you're exploring new landscapes, documenting urban life, or embarking on a creative project, this tripod portability ensures that it's ready to enhance your photography and videography experience at the moment's notice. With a universal quarter-inch screw thread and exceptional stability, the PIXI Smart can be used with a wide range of digital devices. It's suitable for iPhones with Clive Plus, complex system cameras and even entry-level DSLRs. However, when using with the entry-level DSLR, consider the following basic requirements. The body. Maximum weight of 650 grams, which is 1.5 pounds. Focal length maximum 85 mm, standard non-professional lens. Total equipment payload maximum 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds. The semi-professional or professional equipment may exceed these expectations as well. To keep this PIXI Smart finishing and original color pristine, it's recommended to clean with a standard white pencil eraser. Using special product or water could potentially damage the finish. PIXI Smart is not just a tripod, it's a versatile and portable tool that empowers you to capture exceptional moments with your smartphone or other digital devices. It's designed to meet the needs of both casual and more serious photographers and videographers, offering stability, flexibility, and high-quality construction in a compact, attractive package. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the genius of the PIXI Smart Tripod Kit. With its universal smartphone clamp, dual functionality, premium materials, and unmatched portability, is the ultimate tool for any photographer or content creator. The Manfrotto PIXI Mini Tripod Kit with a SmartWork clamp is highly versatile and portable accessory for smartphone photographers and content creators. It combines sturdy construction with a user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice, capturing exceptional images and videos on the go. Its dual functionality, universal compatibility, and the premium build quality make it a standout product in the world of smartphone photography accessories. Whether you're a casual photographer or a dedicated enthusiast, this kit offers the flexibility and performance to elevate your mobile photography and videography game. That's a wrap up for today's review. If you're ready to take your smartphone photography and videography to the next level, well, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest gear reviews and photography tips. Follow us on social media for more behind-the-scenes action and join the conversation with fellow photography enthusiasts. Your journey is your passion, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your creativity knows no bounds, and the PIXI Smart is here to help you reach new heights. Keep shooting, stay inspired, and we'll catch you in the next videos. Cheers! And as always, keep capturing those amazing moments. See you next time!